All right, in this video I'm going to go over the directions and the assignment for writing an informative essay, and the topic is bats. So the directions, let's go through the directions. Read the two sources below. See, we have source 1 here and source 2 here. Then write a short essay explaining how the adaptations in bats help them find food in the dark. Refer to information from the sources in your response. So first, read and highlight both sources using your Step Up to Writing strategies. So you're going to read these two sources and then highlight the topic, the key ideas, and the supporting details using green, yellow, and red, just like we did in the last video. Okay, next you're going to plan your writing. So you're going to do Step Up to Writing notes. So what is the topic of your essay? And remember, the topic of the essay comes from the prompt. Write a short essay explaining how adaptations in bats help them find food in the dark. So that's where you're going to figure out what your topic is going to be. Then you're going to type in some of your key ideas and then supporting details for each of your key ideas. Okay. And then finally, you're going to write and proofread your essay. So in this box, you're going to write out a short essay that describes what adaptations do bats have that help them find food in the dark. So you're going to be telling me about those adaptations. You're going to be citing information from the two sources as you write your essay. And then go through your checklist. Did you write a clear introduction with a topic sentence? Well, go back and reread. Did you in fact do that? Do you have a topic sentence? Does that first sentence tell the reader what they're going to be reading about in the coming sentences? Did you present your ideas in a logical order with transitions? Okay, I'm going to go back real quick to our article here. So, like other mammals, that's a transition. First of all, that's a transition. Finally, that's a transition. So you're going to want to use transitions in your essay. So first of all, next, finally, in conclusion, those are all examples of transitions from one key idea to the next. Support your essay with important ideas and details from the sources. So I don't want just made up information or information you've read other places or seen in TV shows other places. You can include some of that, but you also need to include ideas and information from the sources that I gave you, okay? From source 1 and source 2 up here. Okay, number 4, write a conclusion that supports the topic and follows from the ideas presented. So your conclusion is going to be basically restating your topic sentence. Okay. Number 5, use precise word choice and varied sentence structures. That just means try not to use the same words over and over again. So you wouldn't say next, 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 next for all your transitions. That's just one example. Use appropriate formal style and standard English. That just means you're writing it to as if you're wanting to inform somebody. It's not a funny piece. It's a serious piece that's showing what you know and understand about bats and how what adaptations bats have to find food in the dark. Revise for organization and content. So you're just rereading each and every sentence, making sure that you've included all the information that you want, that you don't have run-on sentences, those kinds of things. 8 addresses that as well, where you're checking your spelling, punctuation, those kinds of things. And then do one more proofreading where you read through, make sure your writing makes sense. Okay. All right. Good luck. I hope you understand. If you need to go back and rewind and listen to the directions again, or go back to the previous video where I go over the highlighting and the different steps, go for it. Use all the resources that you have available to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and get started now.